Warm welcome to all of you.
Akashwani Community Radio Station CRS Nongstoin ke Rakhe ke Jubili Rupa lani ke lingkus namba arpusan jong kajing Rakhe shidram jong ka ya ke imlang saalang ya ke ni kajing Rakhe lapan long hapalau jong ka CRS Nongstoin badu Ashish Bhatnagar Additional Director General jong ka Akashwani badu Dashan lalong ukongsan Kibladan lang hakani kesni ki ketop iba Hamarlin Dingdo ibade Deputy Director jong ka Akashwani Shillong iba Ferdinand Edakar ibade Assistant Director jong ka Program Akashwani Shillong bat ikong Caroline Marpanyang ibade Program Executive ringkat bakinong tre bat kiwe dah.
To all of you, good afternoon to all of you.
All the staff of Akashwani Nongstoin who have been doing wonderfully well. I am really happy to see the campus. This is a small campus and the spirit behind the work. It is just visible over here. I believe we are also live on 10 kilowatt FM Shillong and medium wave Shillong. So we are being heard in probably thousands of kilometers. So I take this opportunity to congratulate everybody, each and every person of Nongstoin, young or old, male or female, and all the people of Meghalaya through the airwaves being radiated through Akashwani Shillong. It's a great day indeed, Silver Jubilee of Akashwani Community Radio Nongstoin. It's another great day for us because in Northeast Zone, which I represent, we are celebrating the birthday today of many stations. Community radio station Tunesang at Nagaland. Those Naga friends were requesting me like anything to be there. But I had been to Nagaland just I think 1.5 months back, so I told them, sorry, I will not be there physically. I will be with your friends at Nongstoin. So once I am at Nongstoin, through them I am with you only. Today is the birthday of Zero. Zero means Akashwani Zero. That's a beautiful radio station at Arunachal Pradesh. I have been there just around 20 days back. But there is a beautiful network of radio, in Northeast, Akashwani. And I take this opportunity not only to seek blessings for Akashwani Nongstoin staff, but to all the Akashwani staff who are working in different radio stations, 33 radio stations spread all across the Northeast. I'm really proud, we are broadcasting in 90 dialects in Northeast. 90 dialects, Akashwani Mumbai, I was in Pune for 9 years. Akashwani Mumbai people used to boast, we are broadcasting in 5 dialects: Hindi, English, Marathi, Konkani and Gujarati. And at Pune we were doing only in Hindi, English, Marathi, just 3. But in Northeast, our friends in Imphal are broadcasting in more than 20 dialects. In Kohima we are broadcasting in more than 18 dialects. And we are seeing all of you. So that's how radio connects. That's how radio is so beautiful. That's the colorful, I call it moti of the necklace or mala which you are wearing. Akashwani, as the name suggests, Akash in Hindi means sky. Sky means boundless, no boundary. So that's the pride of working in Akashwani. That's the pride of listening with Akashwani. Something which is really great can't have any boundary. No boundary of creed, culture, no boundary of, physical boundaries. Accessible to all. Whether you are rich or you are poor, Akashwani is there equally for everybody. I am really happy that the community radio stations in particularly, they are smaller stations, We have got high power transmitters of 300 kilowatt operating at Dibrugarh, 200 kilowatt operating at Itanagar, 100 kilowatt operating at Shillong, and at many other places. And you have got small stations like 100 watt. 100 kilowatt and 100 watt. 100 watt is 1000 times smaller than 100 kilowatt at Nongstoin. But a smaller is equally beautiful. You are the voice of the community. The beauty of Akashwani is, in various television channels, you can have a lot of entertainment. Sometimes healthy entertainment and sometimes not that healthy. Because I often see people when they watch TV for 2 hours or 3 hours, what they do? Maybe they rub their head, wasted time. But nobody does that after listening to All India Radio or Akashwani. Because when you listen to Akashwani for 2 hours or 3 hours, you feel fresh. You feel more rooted. You remember the culture of the ground. And one more good thing which happens with radio is that apart from listening the great voices of our Honorable Prime Minister, the voice of heroes like Amitabh Bachchan, the voice of people from Vivid Bharati Filmi Sitaras, we do hear the voice of our own children. Your voice, my Nongstoin young stars, has gone all over Meghalaya today. Similarly, we get the voice of the mothers who are working at home. We get the voice of the grandfather and the grandmothers who are alone in a village. We get the voice of the farmer who is working in the field. This is not just the voice of VIPs, and it's not just the voice of haves and the rich and the strong people. It is voice of the common people. It is the beautiful voice. It is a combination. So I congratulate everybody, because Akashwani really doesn't belong to me or to 5 or to 7. Sky can't belong to 1 or 2 or 3 people. Sky belongs to everybody. Similarly, Akashwani belongs to each one of you. You can be a media person, you can be a Rangbachnong, you can be a school teacher, you can be a farmer, you can be a student. This is your Akashwani. Own it, improve us. Tell us what can we do for you. Come over here. Join us in creating the great society which originally we are. The great society of Khasi warriors, the great society of Naga people, the great society of Northeast people who have a lot of things to tell to all over the country and to all over the world. How we respect women. We all know there have been talks, there have been rumors, there have been things, something not too positive about Northeast. But again the air is clear. The air is clear that how Northeast works. What are our values? What are our values towards environment? We worship trees. We worship sun, moon. We worship nature. We respect women. We respect relationship. And this is what the world needs to know. Who is at war? Who are killing each other? So it's the voice from Northeast. It's the voice from you, young children, which has to go through radio to the heart of all those who need more love, who need to be better human beings. So let's all join together to fill the waves of Akashwani with colors of more love. Let's seek blessings from the Almighty for all of us, for every person of our society, for peace and love.